The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to learn how to print to the console window using Java. As always, this file is available for download using a link in the description below. You can then follow along, or you can try it on your own and then check your answer. I'll pause for a couple seconds so you can download the file if you like. All right, so let's get started. You see we already have a class set up and we have our static main function so we can run this. So all we're going to do is just simply print to the console window. To do so, there is a class that we have access to called System. Then I'm going to hit dot, and then I'm going to specify the out class. This is another public static class that we can use. And from here, this handles all of our output to what's known as our standard out. That is the console. And you can see that we have a lot of different things in here, such as print line and print. I'm only interested right now in print line. And I'm going to do the traditional hello world. Now what print line does is it's going to print to the console window, and then it's going to do a new line character, which is move us to the next line. If I run this, you'll notice it comes up, it compiles, runs, and we see hello world. And then our application exits because there's nothing else left for us to do. If I want to print another line, I can simply say System.out.println. I'm still here. You're going to run, and you'll notice that it prints out the two different lines, each one on its own separate line. Now, if I use print instead of print line, then I would get all my information on one big line. We can see that by simply removing the ln. I'm going to add a period there and a space just so it's a little bit easier to read. And if I run this, you notice it says hello world, and then instead of going to a second line, on the same line it says I'm still here. So that's a little bit of difference between print and print line. These methods are overloaded so we can send different types of information, class objects, numbers, strings, characters, etc. We're going to look at the different data types that Java has for us in just a little bit. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and check out the rest of the videos in this series.